Good morning. Still under the weather. Market being green helps, but is it going to last? I am nervous for a lot of reasons. Rocket Lab. Yeah, we're already kind of starting to wane. This is going to be the last day. I'm going to sell everything and delete the channel due to popular demand. Bye bye. I am seriously considering selling trimming Rocket Lab. I'm bullish it, but I'm scared. Better to be take some profits and be down money. I mean, all right. I don't know. The markets, the NASDAQ and the E-minis have been up the last 2 days. My portfolio is basically near break even from yesterday, I think. Maybe down a little bit still. Well, it looks like I don't think I have any options on right now. All right. I have low dick energy, guys. E-minis up 4, NASDAQ up 5. So basically flat. Silver up big. Silver and the metals are up. They're metro booming. Silver up 10. I am not touching silver. Fool me once, shame on Jason. Fool me twice, shame on me. I think gold's up. Yeah, gold's up. I'm not touching metals, dude. This ride ain't over. All right, the portfolio is creeping up. Tesla's starting to chime in. ASTS doing good today. Rocket Lab, pretty bueno. Fly, I'm down money on in the IR in both accounts. So, Ricky, you can get Fly cheaper than what I got it. Not your 21. 21 on the table? Sure. Well, now, being greedy pays off every now and then. You know what they say? Dog shines on dog's ass twice a day. I woke up at 3 and couldn't go back to sleep. It's going to be a long freaking day, guys. Well, at least so far, I got the glory of an up day. Is that a trimming Rocket Lab? I could sell some calls. I mean, there's good money. I don't know that I like that. I can sell 100s for like $4, 420. There's a good chance that it's going to blast through that. And there's a good chance that 420 is not going to ease the pain much if it goes down a lot. Both are on the table. Now we're only up 11 grand. How quickly it changes. 12 grand. Jason in the house. 5-pager. All right, we'll wait for Dum Dum. We'll wait for Dum Dum. I'm gonna be trying to be positive about it. He's gonna be talking about the 617 on the Qs and be cautious until Friday. And this is what's gonna happen Friday. Oh, he actually did some reporting on some earnings. Palantir. Wow. Palantir might be a buy. He's got a good sense of humor. Her pre-date workout. And she's taking on 2Ds. Or she just wants to get both arms. Same strength. Dum Dum, what's his name? That idiot on Twitter. Marty Party said the Bitcoin bottom was in 2 days ago. I will give it to him on a technicality. It went a little bit lower yesterday, but I'm not going to slam him for being off by $600. I'm reasonable. I am reasonable. I mean, Zeus under $1. He stopped talking about that one, by the way. Zeus under $1 is steal. I bet it's pretty freaking cheap right now, bro. Is the bottom in on Zeus? People in the rare times I read his tweets, people still giving him shit about Zeus. Fishhook in the house. Oh shit, Zeus is a penny, bro. He wrecked people on that one. And Zeus, we should ask him if Zeus under a penny is a steal. Speaking of a penny, how's my night? Hanging in there. I don't know if it's going to get to a penny, but we're going to hold in for the hope. All right, Palantir. Getting pretty. Oh, actually, why is he saying they're down? I mean, they're down. Looks like they opened up. They were down? I don't know. They gapped up. What did they do? They opened at 165 and they're already losing it. Let's see what their earnings were. Surprise, surprise. Surprise, motherfudger. I think this is a good pickup. And at the bottom of the fib, it dipped below a double bottom, but again, close enough for government work. Is it a perfect buy right now? What do I look like? I don't know what's going to happen in the market, guys. I am nervous. The market has struggled. And we're basically around a triple top on the NASDAQ. I say I'm not as majorly concerned about a crash because the government will prop it up no matter what however they can. But there's also not a large incentive for the market to go up like 30%. it's a delicate balancing act. The market's up 30-40%, and then the elections happen, then it crashes harder because they propped it up or whatever. You know what I mean? Then like you would kind of want to be a little bit more delicate. Just have it people to continue to be making money a little bit, a few shekels here and there. And then that way a pullback might only be like 10% painful, but not words like bear market and recession and don't take a lot of the headlines. Anyway, that's just my 3 cents. Only up 10 grand. Rocket Lab only up 270. Let's take a look at the Rocket Lab chart, see what the skillet indicator says. The skillet indicator, you say? What is that? I don't know. I just made it up. All right. We are in potential bull flag. Also, the trend is your friend, and the trend is down. We got the 200 at 68. That is concerning. Should probably trim. I'm going to leave it on for now. Take a look at ASTS. It hit blue skies, and Shardy B loves to buy on blue skies, and in this particular case, it didn't work unless she sold because it lost it quickly. It did bounce off the 20. That's positive. It kind of back tested it. Close enough for government work. We're doing a lot of close enoughs today. So this is what to see. If this, in Tom's technical analysis rules, if this closes above the 20 and we're green, bottom's in, local bottom. Take a look at fly. Ooh, uh-oh. Technical analysis says not good on this one, bro. Technical analysis says sell. Sinew. Well, I'm down $800 on that one. Thanks, Ricky. Fucking AIDS, bro. Ricky is stock AIDS. HIV infections. Luckily, I don't have a ton of money in that. I mean, to be fair, almost everything I've got on the table right now is down. I'm up overall, but that could change in a flash if Rocket Lab goes to the 200. Just be a big fat loser. So, am I gonna sell everything? I don't know, bro. Like this guy is called three. What did I? This guy's been chiming in lately, showing up on my timeline. Multi-millionaire is officially 95% out of the market. I don't know that I care for his reasons. I'm officially 95% out. S&P 6983. I've been in this game for more than 20 years. So have I. I don't mean shit. He's a multimillionaire. I mean, how did he become a multimillionaire? Because of trading? Because he got lucky in crypto? Does this mean the market will crash tomorrow? No, absolutely not. I'm not a day trader, but there's a good chance we're very close to market top and can drop 15 to 20%. The smartest founders in history are all rushing to the exit. SpaceX is rushing to the exit. I missed that one. OpenAI is rushing to the exit. OpenAI is begging for cash. Databricks and Anthropic. So I don't even know what Databricks is. Anthropic is running to the exit. I don't think so, dude. They're aggressively targeting 2026 IPOs. Oh, they're rushing to the exit because they're IPOing? Is that how an IPO works? The combined 4 trillion valuation. I didn't know Anthropic was IPOing. That's an interesting one. I wouldn't invest in OpenAI. I like Anthropic. They're selling because they identified the top. What are they selling? Does IPO mean they're selling? I mean, yeah, they're issuing stock. Is that selling? I guess. The 2000.com crash and the 2021 SPAC mania. We've seen this exact setup twice before. I don't think you can compare this to the 2000.com. Back then, anyone with a .com in the name was worth $1 million. And $1 million might not sound like much, but 1999, dickandballs.com had absolutely nothing to offer. It was worth $1 million, bro. People were just throwing money at any .com. Just floating it around. It was the modern day equivalent of altcoins. Just gambling on this .com and that .com, and it didn't matter if they had any intrinsic value. It was just people were same thing. Smart traders would pump it up, get the retail to come in and dump on their face, and it caused a historic crash. Do I think the stock market's going to crash because of an AI bubble? No, bro. Are you out of your mind? Like, what logic do you have going on right now that AI is in a bubble? To me, AI is in the early stages of just insanity. AI and robots, which aren't even really available, but should be in the next couple years. It gets to the point where AI makes you so efficient that you're fucked without it. I'm paying for AI, bro. And it's worth it. You know, I don't know if maybe I'm in the minority. Maybe you're not paying for AI. Like Jason's pretty simple. He just sits around and waits for his wife to tell him what to watch on TV and walks the dog around Hollywood. He probably doesn't need AI. Ricky might help tell him how to. Give him some sales spiels on how to sell Tadalafil. Chris in the house, you pay for AI? I mean, yeah. Which one do you pay for? You a chat GBT guy? Chris in the house. I pay a lot for AI, bro. More than I care to pay, that's for sure. I need to lower my rate on Twitter. I don't know if it's I have to. I'm paying to not have ads. The one thing, and I get Super Grok. It's $30 a month. You use Gemini, but don't pay for it. Oh, your work pays for it. We have work paying for some stuff, Copilot and all that. I don't have a Copilot subscription. Man, AI's not in a bubble, bro. I think there's massive opportunity in AI space. Robots, energy. I don't know how many times I gotta keep saying that. No, Grok. Oh yeah, Grok is the bomb. Grok far outperforms Gemini in my opinion. Gemini's good. Grok's way better. The one thing I like about Grok is you can ask it things other models won't answer. Moisture in the house. Don't we all pay for AI? Yeah. Power is insane now. Copper is insane. A lot of stuff requires copper and silver. Just Khmer answers. I forget you're in IT, aren't you? Grok is way superior than Gemini in IT. It's superior. Like I can ask it questions about peptides. It'll say he's not a doctor, but he'll tell me how much of this, that, and the third to take. Not you, Mike. Sure, Fishhook. How's your computer treating you? Bet you glad you bought that bitch. Let's see what Anthony Pompous Asliano has to say. I just personally purchased 1 million of Tesla stock. That's a good buy. Here are 4 reasons why. Never bet against Elon. He's the greatest entrepreneur of our generation. That is true. Love him or hate him, like some people. He is easily the greatest entrepreneur ever. It's not even a fucking contest. Oh, Tom, you're such a... Come on, dude. Yes, Tesla's 1 trillion valuation. SpaceX will be 1 trillion valuation. Easily now that they have XAI. Neuralink will probably be trillions. Self-driving will be the standard. Tesla has the data advantage, and that's a very solid point. Robotics and AI is massive. Humanoid robots is likely the biggest market a company can go after, and Tesla will be the leader. Someone's watching my channel. Anthony, you better be hitting the like when you steal my content. Option value or Elon Inc. There's increasing chance of Elon merging SpaceX, XAI, and Tesla. Maybe. Holy shit, Dr. Payne in the house. How you doing? Thank you for hitting the like. I'm scared in the stock market. Crypto, I don't even fucking care. Like, I think the crypto bull run's over. I would love to be wrong. I don't hardly ever check crypto prices. I definitely still have a decent sized bag of Cardano, a decent sized bag of Ethereum. I'm a whole coiner. I'm not selling my Bitcoin, and I'll be looking to buy Bitcoin 30 to 50,000. We're here in the middle of a bear market. I don't know about being in the middle of one. I don't even think we've hit the middle yet. Oh, there's a question. I don't think we've hit the middle yet. I don't know what your definition of middle is. It's only started going down 3 months ago. November, December, November, 4 months ago. Can be a bottom in summer, maybe fall. Then that would be the middle. No, I guess not. Maybe so. If it's the fall, the middle would come in May. The bottom will be in the fall. We're in the 4th month. It started October. November, December, January, February, bitch. Suck it. Was it October 10th? Suck it. I just said beginning of October. November, December, January, February. How many fingers do you see, bitch? 4. And it hasn't even hit. I guess the 5th month, technically, the start of the 5th month will be in 7 days. You got me. June can be, nope. I just told you the bottom's September, November. September to December. It's in the fall. Put it on the board. Put it on a notepad. Put it on a sticky note. Put it on your mirror. Put it on your bathroom mirror. Look at it every day. And sit there and think, man, I can't wait to prove Tom wrong. But it's not going to happen. I cashed out in the 90s, all cash. Good for you. You're lucky I don't have my fucking Elgato soundboard up because you can get a big fat taste of them. Good for you. You're waiting on the 60s? I'm waiting on the 30 to 50s. It's not going to happen, Tom. You said we weren't going below like 79. I think you started off at 90 and then you moved the goalpost. Now we're at 60. Keep moving it. I'll give you a big fat in the end. I don't know. You don't know either. 69. 67. How does that go? 67? Ah, dude, it's going lower than 69. I'll bet you $100 on that. Bottom is in. Maybe the local bottom. The bottom is not in. Day of the president election. What? We've had these talks. No, we've had these you annoy the shit out of me talks. Tesla's red. Yuck. Rocket Lab up 2. Do I trim? Why is Tesla red, bro? What's never happened before? Tesla should be green, dude. If it goes below, I'm good with it. It's going below. It's going sub 50. Ricky latest shit. I just got it before. Oh, wow. Ricky in the house. About freaking time. Trick ass Mark. Mark ass trick. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to do. Are we getting ready to just flush down? Do I trim Rocket Lab? I kind of think I should. Axon is taking a huge. Ooh, Axon. That's one of Pete Kevin's plays. Is he talking about this one? In his top 10 stocks to get wrecked on? I think that's one of his plays, isn't it? Wait. Let me double check. I could be wrong. Axon. Listen, yeah, Axon. You know what this... I've actually deployed these cameras before. They're really good cameras. Police use some of these. They are really good cameras. For some reason, I thought it was just like a body cam thing when he was talking about it. Oh, they got energy training pods. That's kind of cool. They've really upped their game. Yeah, it's a great camera, bro. I didn't realize they'd gotten like heavy into. I knew they sold like these. I don't know. It's like 7, 8 years ago. They had these like $30,000 cameras that they would stick on those vehicles. I'm about to close. Nice. Good for you. I thought you were already in your forever home. Take a look at Axon. I gotta do a little house cleaning, guys. We have been muted. God damn it. No, it's not you. We were looking at displays. What's the last one you heard me talk about? Axon? LDI? I can recap it real quick. So his top 10 stocks to buy: Rocket, we've already looked at. is bad. UI, terrible. Axon, destroyed. LDI, bad, destroyed. Number 5 is Figure. I said I like this one, but I'm not investing in it. And that one's gotten really bad. We got to do some housekeeping, guys. I don't remember. Number 6 is Meta. I do like that one. But you probably break even or up a little. You definitely haven't made up for the losses on his top 5 stocks to buy. Netflix, I do not like that one. And neither does the market. Ugh, gee, many Christmas, bro. This guy can't catch a break. Number 8, Intuit. Why? Because tax season? Yikes. Holy shit, dude. This guy is worse than Kramer. I'm trying to be positive. Path? Don't like that one. Oh, God damn. Circle? Don't like that one. Maybe in a bear market, but a crypto bear market. I mean, you're down less on that one than most of his other top 10. And number 11, Upwork. I don't know why you would invest in this one, but I don't know what his thesis is on that one. He just recently added that one, and this one, you're probably down. So I don't know. Me, Kevin, is just destroying people right now. And this, I'm trying to be positive, guys. But you're paying to lose money with this guy. I'll tell you the truth. I'll give you the facts. These are what I like, and I could be wrong. Ricky will call it fence sitting. Would you rather just tell me I guarantee you're going to make money? I mean, he fence sits. He moves the goalposts. He's like, remember, this is not blah, blah. Let's see. What did he say? These are not buy and expect up tomorrow or even buy up in 6 months. Like, he's changed that. He's added stuff to this. These are not, first he added these are not short-term plays after they're getting wrecked. And now he's adding, they might not even be up in 6 months. So you fence it. He gives nuance, I guess, bro. Like, I sit there and tell you I could be wrong. I told you my thesis. I haven't changed my thesis in probably 6 months. I've added to it with heavier on rockets in the last 6 weeks around mid-December because of the SpaceX IPO, and I've been up. I'm struggling. I'm taking some pain right now, but we had a great 2025. We started off with a bang on 2026, and now I'm nervous because 2026 could go red because I could be wrong. Maybe the market top is in. Maybe. I don't know. Unlike me, Kevin, I don't know. I'm not going to sit there and tell you, well, if the Qs reject 617, I think it's over, recession. But if it holds 617 and goes up, we could go up higher. I'm trying to be positive, guys. But his top 11 stocks to buy, you've gotten destroyed. I mean, a monkey can do better, bro. Seriously, a monkey and throwing a dart at a dartboard with 500 stocks on it, a monkey could perform better. No joke. Maybe I need to do something with Grok. Like, Grok, pick 10 random stocks from the S&P 500, and let's see who does better. Grok just randomly picking 10 stocks and meet Kevin with his 11. Oh, here we go. Hold 617 back to 627. Tesla down, hood down. All three happen. Eerie. Wow. Palantir did well, but it's still down 21% from its all-time high. Is that what he means? I like this one, guys. I think it's down more than 21%. Maybe not. Is that what he means? Yeah, that's what he means. Go, go, go. I want to see 6-7, bro. 6-7. You want to see 6-7. 6-7 and all the kids will go nuts buying it. NVIDIA OpenAI feud worsening. Hardware gets tested. Ooh, I forgot about AMD. Where's JT at? AMD must have got wrecked. He's balled up in the corner. I can't imagine, even with bad earnings, AMD went down too much. Yeah. It's actually right around where it was yesterday. That's the nothing burger. Big fat nothing burger. Oh, wait. Earnings are today? Yeah, they haven't come out yet. Must be after the bell. Yep, after the bell. Good luck, JT. Teradyne rockets. Wait, and Teradyne rockets even higher all-time highs post earnings. Oh, he finally talks about rockets and he talks about Teradyne. What the hell is Teradyne? %. What's her TER? Holy shit. How have I not heard about this company? No one's talking about this company, bro. Typical Meet Kevin, though. Let's bring up a company that's in the stratosphere. You weren't telling us to buy Teradyne anytime recently, bro. Also looking at setting up a new network, thinking about going all ubiquity. That's what lazy people do. Ubiquity is a good product. You have to go all in the ecosystem. So you already have if you already have a Dream Machine, you're that's a good, like, it can control your switches and cameras and APs and shit. It's simple. The Ubiquity is it's okay as a firewall. Like, it's a 6. It's not serious, but it's pretty good. It's okay for retail. Yeah, it's good for retail. It's good for retail. I don't know. I don't hate it. I don't love it. I don't hate it. Like, if I had an all ubiquity system, it'd be like cool. It looks cool. Not going to afford. Yeah, I'm not telling you to go like fucking Ruckus or Extreme or anything like that. TP Link makes decent switches. I don't know if they make cameras. Probably not. They make good switches. They make okay switches and APs. Maybe cheaper, maybe about the same price. I don't think they have a firewall. Firewall, I would go something like Protectly, but you already have your firewall. This is like a little bit more advanced. Probably too much for you, to be quite honest. It's probably a little over your head, so I'm not going to fault you for going Ubiquity. But this is like, you throw Open Router on this and do some pretty baller shit. You're going to get better IPS and yeah, I'm just being honest. Don't get upset. You're not really a firewall guy, right? Aren't you like servers and shit? You even like, if I told you to set up OSPF, And under VLAN routing, would you, between your ubiquities and Linux admin, so you'd be comfortable on a little bit on the open router, Linux based. You know your way around IP tables. You prefer Grub or Lilo? You ever done a Gen 2 Stage 2? Working storage and backup? Yuck. I do that shit too, but yuck. What are your SANs? Let me guess. Fucking VX Rails? Hyperconverged VX Rails? Backup is the best kept secret. What's so best kept about it? Do you do the 321 contact? Pure Storage is good. I know a really good. I know the rep there really well in my area. Probably not in your hillbilly neck of the woods. Pure's good. So what are your servers? HP, Dell? What do you use for your SAN switching? You use fiber? Are you fiber or iSCSI? You're probably old school mentality fiber. Fiber, yeah, of course. Of course! What are your switches? Cisco? Oh, Cisco, you already said. Catalyst, I'm assuming. Yeah, them things are... You get good SLA. Expensive. You don't do any of the switch stuff, though, right? You probably just hop into VMware and make sure DRS is working and get paid a lot of money. Backup is good because our maintenance is opposite of everyone else. I don't even know what the fuck that means. During the day and during the week. What's your backup solution? Let me guess, Veeam. Cohesity, quality of life. I'm not familiar with Cohesity. That must be some high-end shit. There's clouds like agent backups. Just about Veritas. Wow. I haven't heard Veritas thrown around in a long time. Are they mostly agent backups or do you have like VMware backup too? Both? Does everything. Yeah, we use Acronis. It's pretty good. I like it. We used to use Veeam. They got too like greedy. I bet they're losing market share too because of it. I used to do it. Yeah, me too, bro. Net backup and Veritas and all that shit back in like 2003 with tape devices that would rotate tapes and shit around. Started with 3.4. Yeah, I don't fucking remember. Robotic tape libraries and shit, 99. Oh, you got to one up me, huh? I was like 2003. You have to one up me with 99. Old ass bitch. Probably freaking out because everything was going to explode on New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. Probably dancing around the server room like a little fairy, listening to "We're Gonna Party Like It's 1999." That was wrong. That was a bad joke. It was a bad joke. I take it back. I'm sorry. Got a little carried away. What's your are you pro ice or anti ice, Dr. Payne? You're a white dude. You're probably pro ice. Did you guys talk crypto? Bro, we don't talk about crypto. Crypto gets about 12 seconds of airplay on this channel. There's nothing to talk. The only reason we've talked about it as much as we have is because you're here. Weird setup. I'm 50-50 on market direction today. Jesus. Fence sitting like just yesterday was easier by the dip, I guess. So trust the lines. If we reject 630, 630. Breaking out of 630, Palantir selling off and open would be a warning. Well, that's what's happening. I'm just here for the tech. Come on, Rocket Lab. Good thing I didn't bitch out a little bit ago. You want? I know. You know how I know you want 70K Bitcoin, Dr. Bain? Because you have fucking Tourette's. You've said it 37 times this chat. You think it will bounce there? Oh, no, 69. We know. You're worse than JT right now. Let me look at this. See what you got. There's nothing that says 70K is a... There's nothing at 70K. Anything right now, 86 is on the table. If we lose 76, 59's on the table. You want to get more short term? That's long term, like all the way back to 2. I don't even know. Well, that thing is just, no, don't listen to anything I just said. Because that shit has gotten moved, I think. Nope. This thing is complete. Do I have one that's not fucked up? Here we go. This one might be fine. Yeah, this one. Very long term. Oh, look at that. 69K is on the table. Going back to the 2021 bull run. I apologize. 70K is something. Short term. Yeah, I can admit when I'm wrong. Unlike you. Or Ricky. Yeah, that's right, Ricky. You're taking friendly fire. Yeah, I can bounce there. The bear flag has it going. $57. And I think 50, I think this is probably not till the fall. But I think this is on the table, easy. I think 50's on the table. Maybe lower. I don't care what it has or hasn't done in the past. It never went below an all-time high, previous cycle all-time high before until last cycle. ASTS ripping, love it. Not happening, yeah. You guys sit there with your I'm 100% sure, and I'll sit there with I think I'm right, but I could be wrong. What's not happening? Going to 50K? Yeah. It's going to 50K, bro. If not lower. 30 to 50. I'll put it on the board. I called 133K top in November. I was wrong by 7,000, and it happened 7 weeks earlier. Gotta admit, not a terrible prediction. Let's predict this. So we're going to go, we're just going to change it by a year, bitch. The boom boom's coming, and we're going to go, I'm thinking 30 to 50. This isn't official yet. Let me take a look at this. Let me evaluate. I need to get rid of this because this thing ain't shit, bro. Where did it go? Where did it go? $11.26, 41K. 69 is sitting not dropping below that. We'll see who's right. We'll even do this. It's going to be something like this. I was going, where are they at? That I muted. Sorry. That throat is impressive. Yeah. I can never be gay. I can't open my jaw big enough. Or at least I couldn't keep my lover happy. They're just going to have to get a lot of hand gibbers. Calling bottom now. It's close enough. Deployed my cash. Oh, you're way too early. I mean, you do you, bro. You can buy Bitcoin now and you'll be up in 4 years. I'm sure of that. You can handle the pain, you're fine. If I'm right and you can handle the pain, you're fine. That I can say with a high degree of confidence. If you can whistle, you can handle me. I can't whistle very well. Never been a good whistler. I used to be able to do this. I can't even do that anymore, bro. Oh my goodness, that's embarrassing. I'm gonna wash away my embarrassment by doing a Christopher Walken impression. You Native American? No. I wish. I'd love to get a roll number. The biggest sign I'm not Native American is alcohol makes me sick. I mean, heyo. I don't. Oh, you're trying to be. Hey yo yo yo. Hey yo yo yo. Yeah, I see Dr. Peta Tia is going through some shit right now. My boy. You're my boy, Blue. He was saying he never went to the ranch, and then they showed him with his plane tickets to the ranch. I didn't even know he had a ranch in Albuquerque. Life when your average is five. Oh man, good for you, Stan. I mean, you can brag and shit, but if your Rocket Lab's worth $1 million, and the next day it's only worth 800,000, the next day it's only worth 500,000, you're gonna feel the heat, bro. PayPal just reported earnings. No one cares. Today, the founder of Punjabi Devils, a motorcycle club in Stockton, based outlaw motorists associated with the Hells Angels, pleaded guilty to unlawfully. Holy shit. Good for FBI Sacramento, bro. Damn, cleaning up. I think that's I think they were beefing with Sons of Anarchy and Charming just down the street, just down the valley. Yeah, I called PayPal a great investment. Like end of the year, I picked Bitcoin, Ethereum, and PayPal. I think 2020. Boy, I got that one wrong. Student loan delinquencies are exploding. I mean, what's that an indicator of? You know why my delinquency on the student loan isn't an issue? Because I paid that bitch off. I was able to get a college education for like 15 grand though. 30 grand after late fees and penalties when I did become delinquent on it. They, whew, tough times for young broke Tom. Eventually pulled my head out of my ass. Stopped playing World of Warcraft 60 hours a week and getting some Microsoft certifications, learning how to do networking, getting some Cisco certifications, getting some Citrix certifications, some VMware certifications. I could go on to the break of dawn. And the amount of money I made went from $13 an hour to more. Here's Marty Party. What does this dumbass have to say? Elon has officially acquired XAI. Clown. You're laughing at $14 an hour? This was in 90 like 9. I was living high on the hog, bro. I was making $70 an hour in 99. You just walk around spending your entire day trying to one up people. People roll their eyes when you enter the room. Oh God, what's he going to brag about now? You going to talk about fucking crypto? Only you? You can talk. Oh my goodness, here comes Dr. Payne. I'm going to have to hear about he's loading up to buy Bitcoin at 70,000 and he's going to tell me to buy it. Easy button. Yeah, I'm easy. I'm easy to trigger. I live in a clown world. See how we're doing? Oh yeah. Rocket Lab, let's try to put some Crisco on the pan. Just to think, I almost trimmed. Boom, boom, brewing. Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you say way ho. Ooh, Tesla going. There we go. That makes some sense. Tesla. SpaceX mergers with XAI. Tesla bought $2 billion of SpaceX. Tesla holders waking up today realizing they have exposure to Tesla. SpaceX. It hasn't even IPO'd yet. And XAI. Feeling good, bro. Love my Tesla position. Love it. Love it. Full self-driving and robots. Are you kidding me, bro? Multi-trillion-dollar valuation in the next 5 to 10 years. Where's Velez at today? Bitch ass. He might be under the weather like me. Maybe he's out on the truck. Maybe he went back to work. Oh, let's go, baby. Nice little comeback for Stockades. I mean, I'm down $680 on that bitch. Going well for these rockets, and you had your chance. You still can buy Fly cheaper than what I bought it. You're probably too scared, though. I don't blame you, to be honest. Fly is a riskier play. I don't blame you for being a little prudent with your money. It has more upside, more risk. I don't know that it has much upside. Let's see what Grok has to say. Of the two, which do you prefer if you had to invest in? JT in the house. You got your you got AMD tonight. Wish you well, brother. Both are high risk. Neither is a safe pick. Broad market. Fly offers better odds of sustainable growth, in my view, while Sidu is more of a high volatility gamble. So you're technically correct. Sidu has more upside, I guess. A little late this morning because I went and got the oil change. Teslas have oil. It's first oil change. You don't, what a fucking little bitch. You don't change the oil yourself? How dare you? That's so unmanly. Ask if they both have a bull run, which has higher multiple. Bro, this just said City has more. City is more of a high volatility gamble. I admitted someone else. I do that all the time. I just admitted to Dr. Payne being right like literally 10 minutes ago. I have zero issue when admitting I'm wrong. Zero. I sometimes, well, I won't say zero. I get upset that I was wrong sometimes or I made a mistake. But I'll never sit there and tell you. Like I would never sit here and say I'm right about fly and you're wrong. I don't fucking know. The Honda Ridgeline and it's free oil change for life. So why would I change the oil? It's not free, bro. You paid for it. I guarantee you paid for it. It was in the purchase price. Some stupid contract where you get free oil changes when you buy this plan. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about, Tom. You're so stupid. Probably ended up being $700 an oil change. But they probably told you some shit like bumper to bumper warranty if you get the gold package for $7,000, and then certain things. Oh, the radio went out. That's not covered. JT spends it, and then it doesn't matter. You're paying to be less of a man, or you're not. You're getting even for free. You're less of a man. You don't change the oil yourself. And you know I'm just fucking with you. Calm down. JT spends his time making money. You can make money while you're changing the oil and being a man. Because I'm a man. Ah! He's a king. The lemmings change his oil. The simptards. Because I'm a man. It's this dealership. They give it to you. Call them. Checkered Flag Honda. If you buy a brand new vehicle from them, they change the oil for free. It's baked in, bro. It's a shell game. I hate to break it to you. You can probably find the same Honda Ridgeline at another Honda dealership that doesn't offer free oil changes for cheaper. I just bought the truck. Everyone has a bottom line and a profit margin. All the psyops, bro. I have zero issue with someone buying a brand new car not dealing with oil changes. Changing oil is fucking hard on most cars these days anyway. They make that shit hard on purpose to get to. You usually need like a lift and like special tools. You live out on a farm though. What draws you to these two specifically? Grok always trying to spark conversation with me. Suck my nuts, Grok. Pretty sure Benjamin Cohen doesn't think the bottom's in. What do I think? Didn't I draw a line? Where did that go? Yeah. This is what I think could happen. I don't think it might get that high. It'd be more like this. It's one of these. One of these is going to happen. I mean, it could just flat out be that, bro. But I don't think the bottom's in. I don't think any relevant bottom. Maybe a little small cycle bottom. You know me good enough. I went everywhere. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. Probably could have saved money by not going everywhere, checking the price. How much did you save? You checked 37 dealers and saved 500. Everyone in San Diego is selling. I mean, who the fuck wants to live in San Diego with so much shit? Has so much shit you got to take off to get the oil. And it's a special. Oh, yeah. Forgot about the filters and shit. Cab filters. Crypto immediately implodes. This is what I was showing subs last night. If we get a bad reaction to earnings this week, the top candle. Uh-oh. We got to watch this. I like to change my oil, grab a beer. I don't drink and I don't like changing my oil. I'm going to disagree with you on changing the oil. It's therapeutic. I'd like to see AMD just 270. Is that your sell price? What's the expected move? Oh yeah, we're cooking. Rocket Lab up 5. We are cooking with Crisco. Check the expected move for JT. Roughly $20. Right. And the expected move by the end of day Friday is $18.97. 270 would be a 1 standard deviation move. Only a 16% chance of touching that this week. I hate changing the oil when you got to go somewhere to get rid of. Oh, yeah. Surprised you just don't dump it in your field. I'm glad that you don't. You're a responsible member of humanity by disposing of it correctly. Tom, oil comes from the ground. Might as well just pour it back in. Okay. Contaminate your well water. Smart. Contaminate the creeks. Kill the fish. Fish get eaten by other animals. Cycle of destroying the environment. We just take it to our... Who's we? Uh-oh. Ricky volunteering some information. Who's the other? Who's involved in the we? Does your boyfriend help you change the oil? I have a well. There you go. You have well water. Thank you for being a responsible human being. LWLG, I'm taking a little heat. This is a Meet Kevin pick. We Americans. You're trying to deflect. The cat's out of the bag. What's your boyfriend's name? ASTS up 10. Hell yeah. Definitely not Craig. I don't get that joke. You've been burned by Craig in the past? What did we learn today, boys and girls? Me, Kevin, might be the worst stock trader on the planet currently. Let's recap. Meet Kevin's top 11 stocks to buy. Rocket. You're anywhere between break even to up a little to down a little on this one. So this one's not terrible. This one could be good long term. I'll give him stock one. So far is not a loser. Stock one's yet to be determined. Number 2, UI. I told you I didn't like this one. Low liquidity. He put that in low liquidity. And that one's not working out so well. He said to buy around 608. To be fair, you're not down too much, 10%. Axon, number 3. I said today I realized what Axon was. They're an amazing camera company, probably one of the best ones out there. That doesn't make them a good investment. And I'm surprised they're down so much, seeing how DHS says they're going to buy a bunch of cameras. That one, Wreck City. You've gotten wrecked. Government shutdown. Hope that makes crypto doesn't care about government shutdowns, bro. Crypto is mostly manipulated. Meta, Figure, LDI, number 4. I don't know why I keep doing that. Number 4. He took me down on this one. Down close to 50%. Number 5, Figure. I do like this one, but I wouldn't invest in it. Might be a good buy now. You might be break even or down. I think he recently started talking about this one when it was going up. You're break even and down a little bit. Meta. I like Meta. You're probably up on this one. Because I'm pretty sure he said buy down here. And I said buy down here. Netflix, can't stand this play. That one's Wreck City. Intuit, I guess. Do they sell mortgages on top of tax software? That one's Wreck City. Wow. They don't even have earnings. They have earnings coming up too? Ugh. Path, hate it. Yeah, this one, some people were chatter, AI, whatever, bro. No, Wreck City. Circle, stupid play. Yeah, I mean, buy this one when Bitcoin bottoms. But I say just buy Bitcoin and Upwork. I don't know why he thinks this is a good play. Since I think he's recently said buy it, so you're probably break even. You're paying to lose money. You're not paying me shit to tell you that I might be right, I might be wrong. So far, the only thing I'm right on is Rocket Lab. The only thing saving my ass right now is Rocket Lab. So unless you listen to me on ASTS and Rocket Lab, you probably fucking hate me too. Look, I told you I could be wrong, dude. I'm no Swame. I'm no Kreskin. I came up with a good thesis, and it's working out right now. It could change. Rocket Lab goes down $10, and I've wrecked you on everything. Are we nibbling on snow? I do not like sound. That play's over, bro. But they're gonna put them in the Helix robots. I mean, why do you invest in what is your thesis on this one? Seriously. Because it's just down a lot? That's not a reason to invest in a shitty stock. Give me a thesis. Give me a good reason to invest in this. Other than the chart looks good. The chart looks terrible. This looks like it could go bankrupt. Who really uses SoundCloud? I don't. Who's that one guy from the Philippines? I mean, do you use it? Why would they connect robot Helix, or why would Hyundai connect him to the robots at whatever labs? So while it's cleaning house, it'll play some house music. SoundCloud, yes, duh. The fuck do you think the chart's on the screen, and I've been talking about it literally for the last 3 minutes. What is your investment thesis on this? It's SoundHound. That's your investment thesis. Bro, we got to change how you invest. Oh, SoundHound? You're talking about, wait, SoundHound? Oh, I've been thinking this is SoundCloud the entire time. Jesus, I'm dumb. The fuck is SoundHound? I admit it, I'm dumb. I'm wrong. I've been thinking SoundCloud this whole time. I don't know what SoundHound is. Conversational AI. They have music. Ugh. It seems gimmicky. Trusted by all these brands to do what? Is this the buffet ass terrible AI I get when I call certain places where it sits there and talks and makes that keyboard clicking sound? If they're behind the AI that does the talking with the fake keyboard clicking, I'm shorting them. Yeah, it's voice-based AI. You're a great salesman. Do you think is a good... I got to go to work, guys. Is text-based? What's their market cap? $3.6 billion. There's a market for good AI that talks. We could use something like that. Mm-hmm. Hurry up, Grok. All right. I hope everyone enjoyed coming around. I'm getting ready to wrap this up. I am going to sell everything and delete the channel. Moderate buy. 6 buys and 2 holds. The average price target 16. Growth slowdown projected. High valuation. They're 40x. Revenue reliance on a few key customers. Volatile sector with competition from big tech. Some forecasts predict decline. I don't love it. Could be a solid investment. It's high risk. I think there's better things to invest in. That's a straight gamble. I give you things with great pot odds quite frequently. So you keep doing what you do, and I'm going to keep doing what I do. There's nothing about this that screams buy for the risk. The pot odds are, there's no pot odds, bro. 50-50. I pick things like emerging sectors with massive potential and upside. Rocket Lab and ASTS, great management teams, Big contracts, government contracts, SpaceX IPO, successfully launching multiple rockets into space. There were that's pot odds, bro. And it's not a guarantee, but the pot odds are in your favor. This AI, fringe AI, there's a market for it. I don't know anything about their customers and how good their software is. So pizza, ugh. You know, if I can get an egg McMuffin with no butter and cheese, it's only a weird fact of the day. All right, guys, I got to poop. I got to get to work. Let's see. Rocket Lab only up 4 now, but we're up. E-minis down 30. NASDAQ down 280. Maybe I should trim. I really don't know. I'm going to let this simmer a little bit. All right, hit the like, hit the